Go on! Oh. Wait, I've got just the thing for you.
Yes, thank you. Oh, there.
Oh, oi! Oh, I see, that's got...
Well, that's come off.
I did a bit over there.
Shall I do the other side?
Well, yes, I suppose a better head.
Like that?
No, you carry on, sir. Let's get a good camera angle for this. Oh, yes. Right, well, that's done. That's good. Oh. This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen.
Can I have some Googles, please, just in case some bit of Micra hits me in the face.
I bagsy the visor. Bagsy the visor.
I want the visor.
No, I bagsied it.
Ah, that means I've got to wear the homosexual. No, I don't know. I've got some sleek George Micra ones there.
Stevie Wonder. Toby Wonder. You're not even cutting anything, you tool.
But why is it not going through? Where's
The hammer? Yeah, it was just...
Fine. I think the blade's a bit blunt.
Why don't you just do it from this side? Where that? Why don't you do it from this side? Ah! Oh.
Tara, watch out! Put it in reverse!
Cut it, just cut it with the thing.
Oh, loud, Tara!
Cool, that's a bit heavy.
I'm eating. Where do we want to do that instead?
Right. Oh! Oh! Slam dunk! This is a Toby Wright how-to video.
We are going to today. We were moving the airbox out to the Datsun Micra. Now, if we just undo this clip, that's how that's done.
Better off just cutting that off, wouldn't you?
Yeah, but
Underneath.
God.
That's right, the good thing is it's not sharp.
That one looks quite cool. That's like bang right out. Bit like you.
Oh, that's not funny.
I don't know why
It would make.
would explode out.
I was about to say, if it was the exhaust, it would be cool, but why? Turbo back pressure.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
It's running wrong, firing out.
Key banging. I don't know if it's got any fuel in it. Got some fuel in it. It'll take you for a hoon around the field when we cut the back off. Do you even need a cone filter on it, or is it just going to be? Have you? You've taped it on, haven't you? See if there's one on that 106. We can rob it. Ye old barn find.
Why is this ring mirror so springy?
Yeah. Oh yeah, because that's gonna fit on there, isn't it?
Yeah. Just dock it up and
Toby, you might want to get out the car. Oh. And we. God. It is quite a big back window. Oh.
What the hell? No!
Good news! It hasn't. I was sort of hoping more of it would go in the car, if I'm honest. Rice Krispies? Did someone say rice? Just jab all that off, look. Oh dear. Well, a lot of it has gone on the sheet that I put down. But then again, a lot of it has ended up in the footwell in the front. Roll over.
I don't think it matters.
How close is it? How close is it? Well, if we stick bits off on this side, it's just the headline. If we lift it over,
Ready? Watch your There might need some sort of trimming.
well,
Singe it enough for the light. Buzz, look, mate. It's quite thick that way. Thicker than the roof line. Not open the doors. Tied up, it's not going to fit. 1 sec.
it's the inaugural run. What we should do is clean all the glass off the back first, but
I shotgun drive it first.
who's got the time?
On track.
It's alive! Alright, get your scrap out the way. Oh, that clearance. Smoking a bit.
In the car, it's so loud being done. Is that meant to be a wheel spin? Yeah, it didn't work, did it? It's just like...
Oh.
I'm so lopsided in this.
You know in like Fast and Furious, when there's a big like air intake on the bonnet? That's what it is. It's so loud! Oh, it's bumpy!
Noise is like...
Oh! Oh, it's so bumpy! Jesus Christ!
I think I love Micra. Like... Lost it.
Oh, what is it?
I have no idea.
Oh, it's actually metal.
Yeah.
Oh, that was the thing he cut out for the air intake out the bonnet. There's a skeleton everywhere.
Oh, the RPM gauge works then.
Oh, it actually does.
Go past 5k. Nice. Oh my god, that stinks. That is definitely not the wheels going.
Oh, Paul!
Holy shit.
Oh no, the air intake's coming off!
Go on! Go on, get a mungie going! Get a mungie going, left, right, left, right!
Oh, it's so hot! Jesus Christ. I feel like this is a terrible idea.
Watch your arms.
Yeah. Ow! I said don't hoon it! Tommy! For God! Nice! For crying out loud! Go back to Amanda so I can give her the GoPro.
Get the GoPro!
Yo, we out here at Mexico City.
So, dude.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! So fast.
Bloody hell. Oh yeah.
Oh! What we mustn't do.
Do you even lay frame, bro?
Install it. Oh, the bite point's so high.
Oh my god. Go, go, go.
It's very uncomfortable.
No, don't be silly. How can something be so shit and look so cool at the same time?